Hey there everyone, welcome to the Emoji Quiz, where it's all about fun, emojis and your quick guessing skills. Here's how it works. You'll see two emojis and you'll have 10 seconds to guess the word they make together. For every correct answer, you score 1 point. Think you've got what it takes to ace this challenge? Stick around and don't forget to comment your final score at the end of the video. Let's see who's the emoji champion. All right, ready to play? Let's dive in. Yep, the word was sunflower. Well done. Let's see if you can guess this one. Rainbow? A pot of gold would be nice, huh? All right, here's the next one. Think hard. Raindrop, don't let this one splash your chances. Now, what's the next one? Give it a shot. Snowflake, you're one of a kind too. Okay, next one coming up. Get ready to guess. Right, starfish, shining bright under the sea. Have you guessed them all so far? This one might be a little tricky. Let's go. Firefly, lighting up the night just like you light up this quiz. Okay, next one. Think bright thoughts. Moonlight, such a dreamy answer. Now focus your mind on this next one. Sunrise, time to rise and shine. All right, here's another. Can you crack it? Thunderstorm, hope you didn't get caught in this one. Okay, next emoji pair is ready. Let's see your guess. Waterfall, a refreshing guess. I am sure you must have scored 10 out of 10. You are so smart.
For watching our videos, for more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.